Download this code from codegive.com, link in the description below. Troubleshooting backend server could not be found error on ps4, a comprehensive guide. The backend server could not be found error on your ps4 is a frustrating issue that prevents you from accessing online services, playing multiplayer games, and downloading updates. It essentially means your ps4 is unable to communicate with the game's servers or the PlayStation Network, PSN. This comprehensive guide will delve into the possible causes, provide detailed troubleshooting steps, and offer some code examples, though directly applicable coding solutions are limited in the context of console troubleshooting. We'll cover how network diagnostics might look. Understanding the problem. The error message backend server could not be found is a general network communication error. It signifies that your ps4 is unable to establish a connection with the servers responsible for providing the game's online services or the PSN itself. Think of it like trying to call a phone number, but the phone line is disconnected or the number is invalid. Possible causes *. 1. Server-side issues, most common. PSN outage *. Sony's PlayStation Network might be experiencing maintenance or an outage. This is often the most likely culprit. Game server outage *. The servers for the specific game you're trying to play might be down for maintenance, experiencing technical difficulties, or under heavy load. Game update required *. The game's client, installed on your ps4, might be out of sync with the server version, requiring an update. 2. Network issues *. Internet connection problems *. Your internet connection might be down, unstable, or too slow for online gaming. DNS issues *. Your DNS server might be malfunctioning or unable to resolve the server addresses. Firewall issues *. Your router's firewall might be blocking communication between your ps4 and the game servers. NAT type issues *. A restrictive NAT type can interfere with online gaming, especially peer-to-peer connections. Port blocking *. Certain ports required by the game or PSN might be blocked by your router or ISP. IP address conflicts *. Your ps4 might be using the same IP address as another device on your network. 3. ps4 configuration issues *. Incorrect date/time *. An incorrect date and time on your ps4 can cause authentication issues. Corrupted system files *. Rarely, corrupted system files can interfere with network connectivity. 4. Account issues *. Banned/suspended account *. Your PSN account might be temporarily or permanently banned. Subscription issues *. Problems with PlayStation Plus subscription can restrict online access. Troubleshooting steps, in order of likelihood and ease of resolution. 1. Check PSN status and game server status ****. PSN status ***. Go to the official PlayStation Network service status page, https://status.playstation.com/ https://status.playstation.com. Look for any reported outages or maintenance for your region. If there are any issues listed, you'll need to wait until Sony resolves them. Game server status ***. Check the game developer's website, social media, Twitter, Facebook, or forums for any announcements regarding server maintenance or outages. Use online services like downdetector.com, to see if other players are reporting issues with the game's servers. 2. Restart your ps4 and network devices ***. ***PS4 restart ***. Completely power off your ps4. Don't just put it in rest mode. Hold the power button on the console until it beeps twice. Unplug the power cord for 30 seconds, then plug it back in and turn the ps4 on. *router/modem restart * unplug your router and modem from the power outlet. Wait 30 seconds, then plug the modem back in first. Wait until the modem is fully powered up, usually indicated by stable lights, then plug the router back in. Wait for the router to fully power up. 3. Check your internet connection on your ps4 ***. Wired versus wireless ***. If you're using Wi-Fi, try connecting your ps4 directly to your router with an Ethernet cable to see if the issue persists. A wired connection is generally more stable and reliable. Test internet connection ***. 1. Go to Settings, Network, test internet connection on your ps4. 2. Check the results. Pay close attention to internet connection should say successful. If it fails, troubleshoot your internet connection, see steps below. PSN sign in should say successful. If it fails, there might be an issue with your PSN account or the PSN service. NAT type ideally, you want type 1 or type 2. If it's type 3, it indicates a restrictive NAT, which can cause problems. More on NAT later. Download speed and upload speed make sure they are within acceptable ranges for online gaming. Generally, you need at least 5 Mbps download and 1 Mbps upload. 4. Troubleshoot internet connection issues ***. If the internet connection test fails check cables make sure all cables connecting your ps4, router, and modem are securely plugged in. Try a different Ethernet cable **. A damaged Ethernet cable can cause intermittent connection problems. Contact your ISP **. If you're still unable to connect, there might be an issue with your internet service. Contact your internet service provider, ISP, to check for outages or technical issues in your area. 5. Check and correct date and time ***. Go to Settings, Date and Time. Set the date and time to set automatically. Ensure the time zone is also correct. If automatic setting fails, manually set the correct date, time, and time zone. 6. Change your DNS settings ***. What is DNS? Domain Name System, DNS, translates human-readable website names, like google.com, into IP addresses that computers use to communicate. Sometimes, your default DNS server provided by your ISP might be slow or unreliable. Change DNS on ps4 ***. 1. Go to Settings, Network, set up internet connection. 2. Choose your network type, Wi-Fi or LAN. 3. Choose Custom. 4. IP address setting * choose Automatic. 5. DHCP host name * choose Do Not Specify. 6. DNS settings * choose Manual. 7. Primary DNS * enter a public DNS server address. Popular choices are Google Public DNS * 8.8.8.8 Secondary DNS * 8.8.4.4 Cloudflare DNS * 1.1.1.1 Secondary DNS * 1.0.0.1 8. MTU settings * choose Automatic. 9. Proxy server * choose Do Not Use. 10. Test your internet connection again, Settings, Network, test internet connection. 7. Reset your router to factory settings, use with caution. Warning * this will erase all your custom router settings, Wi-Fi password, port forwarding rules, etc. You'll need to reconfigure your router after resetting it. Asterisk how to reset asterisk most routers have a small recessed button on the back or bottom. Use a paper clip to press and hold the button for about 10 to 15 seconds until the router's lights start flashing. Asterisk after the reset, you'll need to set up your Wi-Fi password and any other settings again. 8. NAT type troubleshooting asterisk asterisk. Asterisk what is NAT? Network address translation, NAT, allows multiple devices on your home network to share a single public IP address. NAT type affects how your PS4 connects to other players online. Asterisk types of NAT asterisk. Asterisk type 1, open the best NAT type. Your PS4 is directly connected to the internet. Rare in home networks. Asterisk type 2, moderate good for online gaming. Allows you to connect to most players. Asterisk type 3, strict can cause problems connecting to other players. You might only be able to connect to players with open NAT types. Asterisk how to improve NAT type asterisk. Asterisk port forwarding asterisk forward specific ports required by PSN and the game you're playing to your PS4's IP address. This allows incoming connections to reach your PS4 directly. The ports to forward vary by game, but common PSN ports are asterisk TCP, 80, 443, 3478, 3479, 3480. Asterisk UDP, 3478, 3479. Asterisk how to port forward asterisk you'll need to access your router's configuration page, usually by typing its IP address into a web browser, often 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Find the port forwarding, virtual server, or NAT forwarding section. Create a new rule for each port, specifying the port number, your PS4's IP address, see below on setting a static IP, and the protocol, TCP or UDP. Consult your router's manual for specific instructions. Asterisk UPnP, Universal Plug and Play. Enable UPnP in your router's settings. UPnP allows devices to automatically configure port forwarding. However, it can sometimes pose security risks, so only enable it if necessary and disable it if you experience security concerns. Asterisk DMZ, Demilitarized Zone. As a last resort, and with caution, you can place your PS4 in the DMZ. This exposes your PS4 directly to the internet, bypassing the router's firewall. This can improve NAT type but significantly increases security risks. Do not use DMZ unless you absolutely have to, and only for testing purposes. Remove your PS4 from the DMZ after testing. Asterisk static IP address asterisk assigning a static IP address to your PS4 helps ensure that the port forwarding rules you set up in your router remain effective. Asterisk how to set a static IP on PS4 asterisk. 1. Go to Settings, Network Setup, Internet Connection. 2. Choose your network type, Wi-Fi or LAN. 3. Choose Custom. 4. IP address setting asterisk choose Manual. 5. Enter the following information. Asterisk IP address asterisk choose an IP address within your router's DHCP range but outside the range it typically assigns automatically. For example, if your router's address is 192.168.1.1 and its DHCP range is 192.168.1.2 to 192.168.1.254, you could use 192.168.1.200. Important asterisk make sure the IP address you choose isn't already being used by another device on your network. Asterisk subnet mask asterisk usually 255.255.255.0. Asterisk default gateway asterisk your router's IP address, example 192.168.1.1. Asterisk primary DNS asterisk enter the DNS server address you want to use, example 8.8.8.8 for Google Public DNS. Asterisk secondary DNS asterisk enter the secondary DNS server address, example 8.8.4.4. 6 MTU settings asterisk choose automatic. 7 proxy server asterisk choose do not use. Asterisk reserve IP address in router asterisk in your router's settings, usually under DHCP server or similar, find an option to reserve IP address or static DHCP assignment. Associate the static IP address you assign to your ps4 with its MAC address, found in Settings System information on your ps4. This ensures that your ps4 always receives the same IP address from the router. 9. Check for game updates asterisk asterisk. Asterisk highlight the game on your ps4's home screen. Asterisk press the options button on your controller. Asterisk select check for update. Install any available updates. 10. Rebuild database, safe mode. Asterisk what it does asterisk rebuilding the database reorganizes the data on your ps4's hard drive. It can fix minor software issues. Asterisk how to rebuild asterisk. 1. Completely turn off your ps4. 2. Press and hold the power button on the console until you hear 2 beeps, about 7 seconds. This will boot the ps4 into safe mode. 3. Connect your DualShock 4 controller to the ps4 with a USB cable. 4. Select Rebuild Database from the Safe Mode menu. Warning asterisk this process can take a long time, from a few minutes to several hours, depending on the amount of data on your hard drive. 5. Once the rebuild is complete, your ps4 will restart. 11. Initialize ps4, factory reset, last resort. Asterisk warning asterisk this will erase all data on your ps4, including games, save data, and settings. Back up your saved data to an external USB drive or the PlayStation Cloud, if you have PlayStation Plus, before initializing. Asterisk how to initialize asterisk. 1. Go to Settings Initialization Initialize ps4. 2. Choose either quick or full initialization. Full initialization is more thorough but takes much longer. 3. Follow the on-screen instructions. 12. Contact PlayStation Support asterisk asterisk. Asterisk if you've tried all the above steps and are still experiencing the issue, contact PlayStation Support for assistance. They might be able to provide specific troubleshooting steps or identify a hardware issue with your ps4. Code examples, network diagnostics, more theoretical in ps4 context. While you can't directly run custom code on a standard ps4 to troubleshoot networking issues, understanding the underlying principles of network diagnostics can help you interpret the results of the ps4's built-in network tests and better understand the advice given above. 1. Ping, testing connectivity. The ping command sends a series of ICMP, Internet Control Message Protocol, packets to a specified IP address or host name and measures the time it takes for them to return. This is a basic way to check if you can reach a server. While you can't run ping directly on a ps4 command line, the test internet connection tool performs a similar function. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk the ping function uses the subprocess module to execute the ping command in the operating system's command line. The N1, Windows, or C1, Linux/Mac OS, option tells ping to send only one packet, making the test faster. Asterisk capture underscore output equals true captures the output of the ping command, both standard output and standard error. Asterisk timeout equals 5 sets a timeout of 5 seconds. If the ping command doesn't complete within 5 seconds, a subprocess.timeout expired exception is raised. Asterisk result.return code is the exit code of the ping command. A return code of 0 usually indicates success. Asterisk result.stout contains the standard output of the ping command. Asterisk result.str contains the standard error output of the ping command. This is useful for diagnosing errors. Asterisk the file not found error exception handles the case where the ping command is not found in the system's path environment variable. 2. Checking DNS resolution, using socket. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk the socket.getHostByName function attempts to resolve a host name to its corresponding IP address using the system's DNS resolver. Asterisk if the host name cannot be resolved, a socket.getError exception is raised. Asterisk this code helps you verify that your DNS server is working correctly and can resolve the domain names of the game servers or PSN. If this fails, it strongly suggests a DNS issue. 3. Port scanning, testing port accessibility. Asterisk explanation asterisk. Asterisk this code attempts to establish a TCP connection to a specified port on a given host. Asterisk socket.socket, socket.af_inet, socket.sock_stream, creates a TCP socket. Asterisk sock.setAmout, 2, sets a timeout of 2 seconds for the connection attempt. Asterisk sock.connect_x, attempts to connect to the host and port. Unlike sock.connect, connect_x, returns an error code instead of raising an exception if the connection fails. Asterisk a return code of 0 indicates that the connection was successful, the port is open. Asterisk this code helps you verify that the necessary ports for PSN or a specific game are not being blocked by your firewall or ISP. You would replace PlayStation.com with the actual IP address of the game server or PSN server you're trying to reach, if you can determine it. If these ports are blocked, it indicates a firewall or ISP related issue. Important considerations asterisk. Asterisk ps4 limitations asterisk these code examples are intended for illustration purposes only. You cannot directly run them on a ps4. They provide insight into the types of tests that networking professionals and game developers might use to diagnose connection problems. Asterisk security asterisk be cautious when opening ports on your router. Only forward the ports that are absolutely necessary for the games you play. Keep your router's firmware updated to protect against security vulnerabilities. Asterisk ISP interference asterisk some ISPs may block certain ports or throttle bandwidth for gaming traffic. If you suspect your ISP is the cause of the problem, contact their technical support. Asterisk MAC address filtering asterisk check your router settings to ensure that your PS4's MAC address isn't accidentally blocked by a MAC address filter. Asterisk router firmware asterisk ensure your router is running the latest firmware. Outdated firmware can have bugs that cause network connectivity problems. By systematically working through these troubleshooting steps and understanding the underlying network concepts, you should be able to identify and resolve the backend server could not be found error on your PS4. Remember to be patient and persistent, and if all else fails, don't hesitate to contact PlayStation support or your ISP for further assistance. Good luck.